to show you an interesting way to get your pizza prepped for the oven. Get in here. What's my chest freezer? Oops, the basket. Oops, the breadsticks. Oh wow. This frost is not a glitch, it's a feature. It's proof that my ice cream will never get messed up due to a automatic defrosting mishap. Alright, Tombstone Form 8. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Take your pizza, put your left hand, if you're right-handed, put your left hand on the center of the pizza. Take your right hand, lift it up, right? Put your right hand underneath it. Press down with your left hand while pull up with your right hand and listen. So it just broke right there. Rotate it. Do it again. Alright. Yeah, it's all broken up. It's using the physics of the frozen pizza to your advantage. So now you don't need a cutting utensil. You don't have to worry about getting cheese everywhere or stretching cheese whenever you're trying to cut it after it's been cooked. Now you have a bunch of little pieces that are in some cases bite-sized pieces of pizza that you can put on your tray. It's cooked, and then it's easy for people to just, you don't have to cut it. It's convenient.